Here's how to install our OCAM Bonnet Struts for the Volkswagen Amarok. Lay out all the hardware and familiarise yourself with the kit. On the driver's side, undo the back 10mm bolt holding in the washer bottle. Attach the bracket and reinstall using the same 10mm bolt. Then undo the front 13mm bolt on the bonnet and reinstall using the included bracket. Connect the bonnet strut to the brackets. On the passenger side, remove this wiring clip using a trim removal tool. Then use the included nut and bolt to install the bracket and tighten with a 13mm socket. There's a spot on the bracket to relocate the wiring clip. Then install the other bonnet bracket and attach the strut. And there you have it, your OCAM bonnet struts are installed.